Or pag medyo light, baka Pretty Woman. Pretty Woman. And The Notebook.
The
Yeah.
Notebook. Ako muna.
Okay.
Caring, passionate, lovable.
Very gentle, very organized, and workaholic.
Yeah. Feeling ko yung bench.
Yeah, me too.
The,
Yung bench.
the bench scene.
We
So,
can't tell
we can't tell,
what the scene is about, but
makikita nila yun.
yung sa nasa bench kaming
Sa
dalawa.
bench and overlooking. Yeah.
Yes.
Okay. Who would you let go?
Who would I let
Who
go?
would you let go?
Dapat di ko pa na-let go?
Yes, dapat
So,
hindi.
part pa ng life ko na.
Yes. Your one true love or your best friend. No right or wrong answer naman.
Parang di ko kaya. Hindi ko kaya pumili. I'm sorry, ang corny ng sagot ko.
Yeah, pero
Ikaw
may-
ba meron?
pero-
Pagpapaliin ka.
Mahirap din siyang sagutin. Kaya lang yun naisip ko na parang,
But what if my best friend is the love of my life? So,
Okay.
you can let go paging,
paging friends and then
pwede kayo
Evolve.
mag-evolve into,
something
something
deeper.
deeper. Or, i-give up mo yung romance and then you can
Just-
just become friends. Yeah,
Ayun.
ganun.
Pero mahirap siyang sagutin talaga.
Pero
Kaya,
mahirap siya.
anong pipiliin niya?
In burning question ko sa kanya, would you sacrifice your happiness for the person you love the most?
Of course.
You really?
I
You'll
think-
sacrifice your
I
happiness?
think yes. Kasi, kagaya yung sabi ko sa'yo dati, di ba? Parang, for me, love is sacrifice.
Okay.
And I think, of course, syempre, we're now at an era naman talaga na people are encouraged to love themselves, di ba? Pero
Yes.
medyo old school lang kasi ako. So, syempre ako, I really value happiness of other people.
More than your happiness.
More than mine.
But how about your happiness?
When I see them happy, I'm happy.
So you're willing to sacrifice that kasi makuha mo din yung happiness. when you
Yes,
see them.
pag masaya sila. Second na lang ako. Doon na lang. To follow na lang.
Grabe siya talaga. That's my question.
Yeah.